Now come election time, and it's only normal for our politicians to travel the length and breadth of the country to spread their message across. Well, sounds like a lot of legwork, but Delhi-based Knowlarity Communications believes it has a solution. Sylvie Goyal gave them a call and found out what made them tick.
Yes, we've seen these scenes before. Big crowds, long speeches and slogan shouting. But guess what? If you're a politician, there could be an easier way to reach out to the masses. And that's what engineers Pallab Pandey and Ambrish Gupta have set out to achieve. Fresh from the Silicon Valley, this solution is tailor-made for the Indian politician.
You were working as an engineer in Silicon Valley, you were placed happily there. Where did this idea come from, and why did you get into politics?
Back in 2000, electronic voting machines were being introduced in India, and we thought if we could analyze the data out of that, we can make a lot of predictions very well as to what people think and how do they actually behave in elections. And that started us, with that idea we started the political consultancy firm in India. We approached the politicians and did a lot of work for these guys. Slowly we realized that in India, not only politicians but also the corporations have this problem of reaching out to their target audience. The telephony revolution was happening. We realized that if we can come up with a bi-directional way of reaching out to the customers, it will totally transform how it will have huge implications for the government, the politicians and also for the corporates. So that is how Knowlarity was born.
By pumping $2 million, Knowlarity developed a voice calling system on which applications were built. Their flagship product, Supercaller, records the message over the phone, which is then uploaded onto Knowlarity's internal server. You can then send your recorded message to millions of people with just one click. But in the world of mobiles where tariff rates are anyways economical, why should someone opt for the Supercaller?
It's a voice, it speaks, you can convey emotions in it, emphasis in it, and of course it is far cheaper, as much as 20 times cheaper than any conventional way of reaching out to the voter.
Some of the Supercaller's happy customers include the likes of Naveen Patnaik, Chief Minister of Orissa, and Jayant Chaudhary, Member of the Parliament. Both of them use the product to connect to crores of voters during elections.
I've been using it for instance before my elections. Recently we also used it in mobilizing people for the land acquisition protest. And people from everywhere have been coming and saying, I got your call. And it made me get out of my house. Otherwise I was in my house. When you called, I felt that I needed to go and be there. So it has an immediate impact.
फोन आया था, अच्छा लगा था, तो ऐसे लग रहा था मेरे को नेता ने खुद अपने आप मेरे सामने आके बात किया है.
Helping the Uttar Pradesh government manage a massive midday meal program that distributes free lunches in 150,000 schools in the state is another feather in the Supercaller's cap. Through automated telephony, the government can find out if the meal was distributed and check reports in real time.
It's a number game for both politicians and Knowlarity. With the motive to reach
Far and wider audience,
Knowlarity will invest $4 million to churn up more products more quickly.
And while Supercaller is making life easy for politicians, Superfacts targets the corporate clientele by transferring their important facts on their email. But while developing these products, what were the challenges that Knowlarity faced?
One of the biggest challenges that we had was to attract right talent which can develop technology in-house. The quality of engineers that you get in India, they are very good, but at the same time they don't have that much experience that people in Silicon Valley have.
Clients are charged 50 paise for every connected call. With this model, the firm plans to reach a revenue mark of $25 million within the next 3 years. Reaching out to 18,000 customers already, the firm certainly isn't resting on its laurels.
So what does future hold for Knowlarity?
We have a lot of products on the roadmap. The one exciting product that we are very excited about is a virtual reception solution, where we are working with the operators for the SME segment, which is kind of our focus area.
And while Clarity develops more product to reach out to new customers, I thought of reaching out to millions of fans of our show right here over this phone.
Don't miss starting up on ET Now every Tuesday 10:30 p.m. This is Surabhi Goyal signing off.
After taking their solution across India, the founders also have plans to expand their reach to other emerging markets. We wish them all the best. Time though for us to slip into a break, but coming up.